crikey! Hello, my name is Max Maddison, and this is the park with Max Maddison. Today, we're going to be viewing a very rare creature known as the selfie addict. Now, before we begin, I'm going to give some safety tips. Selfie addicts are very dangerous as they are prone to taking pictures of everything. Selfies, mostly selfies, but if we follow my directions, we should be fine. Alright, we're going to try and get in close now.
Hello! Oh my god, be my selfie with me! Come on! I'm gonna send this to Christy, she loves you. Oh
As you can see, they will take selfies of anything and everything. Usually to post on Instagram or other social media websites.
I gotta take a picture of this trash.
Watch what happens when I remove them from their cell
Oh
phone.
my god.
Give me that!
I'm gonna kill you, you bitch!
Max! Max, run!
I think this will be it for today! This has been Nature with Max Maddison! Run for your life!
Oh, good. Oh, jeez! Oh, jeez! Max, are you okay?
No, I'm not good!
Me down!
Get out of here! It's over there!
Max! Max, are you okay? Oh, jeez!
This has been Nature with Max Maddison. Tune in next time when we review even more rare sights.